Hello, and welcome to this episode of Cloudburst. I'm Alan Falcon, CEO of Cumulus Global. We help small businesses, local governments, and K-12 schools thrive by ensuring your IT and cloud services are productive, secure, and affordable. In our 3 TNT series session in November, Gail Zona, founder of Learn AI for Biz, dove deep into how to get better AI results. The following excerpt is a 3-minute masterclass on how to use persona, background, and task instructions to prompt AI for better results. Check the description and comments for links to the full session and our AI landing zone. Thanks for tuning in and being part of our community.
We start off with a prompt, as you know, and we like to give AI a persona. The persona is, what role do you want the AI to assume? Is it an expert in social media, a business strategist, a marketing guru? And the reason we do this is because AI has a vast, vast library, and it is built to give you the response the fastest way possible. It doesn't necessarily default to deep thinking all the time. And so when you give it a persona, it forces it to go to that part of its giant knowledge base to pull out the most relevant results. So instead of a hockey coach or a doctor telling you how to create a LinkedIn post, you're going to have a LinkedIn expert tell you how to create it. That is a narrower group of people and a group of people that will know better how to do it. And you want to say you are a LinkedIn expert. We're talking to AI now. You're not saying I am. Of course you're not. You, LinkedIn, or you, AI, sorry, you are a LinkedIn expert. Skilled in creating posts for maybe an accounting and tax practice, let's say. You include relevant information in your posts and always include a call to action. So we're telling it, here's what I want you to do. Here's the expert I want you to mimic. Now the next piece, the backstory. If you were using a consultant, you would, of course, end up having a conversation at the beginning to tell the consultant who you are, what you do, etc. And so you might be talking to the consultant about the company, your client's a situation, because it needs to know something about you. And the same thing holds true for AI. So you might tell it something like this. I have an accounting practice that provides bookkeeping, tax preparation, accounting services to medium-sized businesses in Massachusetts. My clients choose me for the superior level of client service I provide, and they consistently praise me for never having to worry about the accounting details and for my ability to advise them in a timely and insightful manner. So we've not only told it a bit about what we do, actually, products and services, but we've told it a bit about why people like us, and that's important too. Now, you don't have to do this every time. You can go in, most AI platforms these days have ways to customize it, and I highly suggest that you do that, because that having this kind of a background every single time it does anything for you means that the results are far, far better. And finally, the task. Well, this is what you would think of, right? What do you want the AI to do for you? We're going to write a social media post, or we're going to give you insights about your clients, compare pricing plans. I mean, these are all things AI can do, but the more it knows about you and the more that you have told it what kind of expert it is, the better the results you get. And then finally, you might say something like this: create a post introducing me that would be engaging and informative to my prospective clients, and that sets me apart from others. Use benefits-oriented language. So we put a lot in here, but this is the kind of prompt that gives you the best results.